delicious rajma.
Ooh. Good evening, everyone. Today we are heading to Shipwreck. No. Mirfa. Okay, we've been to Shipwreck many times. This time we've decided that we will go to Mirfa. It's 6 p.m. exactly, and we just now topped our tank, and probably it's gonna take half an hour more for us to reach. And I love these droppings. I've been holding on to them from past 1 week, thinking that it will rain. There are multiple droppings on this side also. Once I stop and park the car, I will show you the droppings have decorated my car in such a beautiful way. Let's follow the road.
A little later.
So, notorious explorers have reached Mirfa. This is the first time. That's Mommy Explorer going over there. The other two over there. We're not the only one here. We've got 2 or 3 families here already, plus a couple of RVs. And that's today. It looks like to be a low tide. So water is way not that way back like the Shipwreck, but it is pretty back. Look at that. So many birds. We're very, very, very near to them.
There. This one. Don't move. There's.
While we were exploring the seabed, look at Sun Explorer. My God, he's walked so far. He's barely visible, but the good thing is that the water is shallow. And here I am trying to avoid stepping on any kind of marine life like you just now witnessed. Since I was stepping on my toes, I lost my balance and Mommy Explorer helped me out. The rock pool you just now witnessed is home to crabs and shrimp.
Later that same evening.
Let me walk you around. Yeah, the table is set. That's the coal. And Notorious Explorer is... I don't know what's going on in his mind.
Surprise!
You just scared me, man.
Wonderful.
Yeah. Cool. Alright, so in a short while from now, we're gonna start cooking. And then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna eat today. It's again Indian food. Yeah, baby, desi cooking on beach. Yo, boy.
Hola. So the fire is set. My father is checking on it, and my sister is being a grumpy old grouch. The fire will soon start to become nice and warm so that we can
Eat
start
food.
cooking our delicious desi Indian cooking. Yay!
I need the tongue, please.
Go get it. Okay, Mother Explorer.
It's on the left side.
To infinity and beyond.
Mommy Explorer, what is this?
Check it out. It's onion, garlic, and green chili.
And what is it for?
They're roasting for kidney beans. We're cooking kidney beans. I've cooked kidney beans at home, but this is just the tarka getting prepared.
Otherwise known as rajma.
I can feel the heat finally.
This looks so hot. I'm gonna
It
enjoy.
is. Yeah, see, look at it. Look at the sizzle. That's the butter sizzling. Now I'm gonna add some
India's famous
homemade
garam masala.
garam masala.
Homemade?
Of
But
course.
you never made it.
No, I always make garam masala at home.
India's famous garam masala.
Mm-hmm.
A mix of all the spicy treats in India
Mm-hmm.
come together to equal garam masala, the hottest spice ever. Not sponsored by garam masala.
Garam.
Garam.
Garam
This
means
video is sponsored by Notorious Explorer.
You can see there are some leaves.
Some salt to taste.
Add a pinch to salt to taste.
yeah, because everybody told me that it has less salt.
Not me.
Yeah, sorry, not
Yeah,
you,
well, you're a
but your
girl.
brother.
You need to put some water inside it so that everything flows
I
out.
will, but I want the kidney beans to cook with the tarka thing first before I add.
Smoke is coming now.
So along with that, I have
Puri!
spinach puri.
What?
The one which you are eating already. Wow. Oh no. I
Why?
just realized I'm eating
What?
spinach puri already.
Something healthy.
Delicious rajma.
Oh. Oh my god. I have more water in my mouth than there.
Really?
Actually, the smell of the coal makes us more
Let's go call the pool party people.
hungry.
Let's call the pool party people. Maybe he can fill a pool. They can purify the water.
Oh yeah. Wow.
It's ready to eat.
What idea you have? Smallest, youngest explorer?
So my son explorer wants the gravy, the liquidy parts of the
What is it? What is it?
rajma.
What do you call rajma in English?
Beans?
Brown-eyed beans,
You are near. You're way near.
black-eyed beans.
Little further.
Kidney beans?
Okay, you got all the words. Now
Kidney
jumbled up. Red kidney beans.
Red-eyed kidney beans.
Red kidney beans.
So red kidney beans there. And mommy explorer, what is it that you are doing?
Mommy explorer.
I'm making gravy of kidney beans for Sonny.
For Sonny?
For Sonny dear.
No, I'm Sonny. I am sorry and I am naturally famous. So subscribe to Notorious Explorers instead of Sony for now on.
I like your t-shirt, man. And yours as well.
It's new.
I have a flamingo on my lap. Here, this flamingo matches with this 6-pocket pants.
Those are
It
called
has
jeans.
6 pockets. See,
One,
1,
deux,
2,
trois,
3,
quatre, quatre,
5, and 6.
sept. There's 7.
Cool. And they are not pants. They are
Shorts.
shorts.
Short jeans. Is it?
Jeans sis.
Son Notorious Explorer, what are we up to now?
Living up to our name.
And that is?
Notorious Explorers are doing some exploration on our Mirfa beach.
And where are you right now?
On the supposedly seabed.
How can you say that?
Because there's water there.
The water is there, not here where you are walking.
1 hour later.
After exploring the wonderful seabed, we returned and set our tent to have a good night's sleep. Hope you liked this episode. Kindly do like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Stay tuned for the next episode.